To remove the wireless LAN board, first remove the access panel. Swing the drives cage up. Carefully snap off the antenna connectors from the wireless LAN board. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw securing the wireless LAN board in place. The board will pop up. Remove the board. The wireless LAN board has a notch offset from the center that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle and press down. Hold it down while replacing the screw. Replace the antenna connectors to the board. The antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the wireless LAN board.